Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading, real estate, AI can be able to find the right formula to make money in these various industries. Today, we'll be going over the market fundamental and technical breakdown for the time period of February 19th to 23rd. So I want you to watch to the end because we'll be sharing with you exciting opportunities and benefits for you. Don't forget to smash the like button, share this content, subscribe, and drop your comments if you have any questions. Okay? So with that said, I'll share my screen right now and we start the breakdown. Terrific. So how this breakdown usually goes is that I will talk about the technical analysis, I'll talk about the fundamental analysis, I'll talk about the sentiment analysis. I won't be talking about the fourth analysis on this call. The fourth analysis will be explained on a daily basis on our Telegram channel. And you might be wondering, what is the fourth analysis? If you want to discover what the fourth analysis is, join our Telegram channel. The link is on the description. It's for free. In the Telegram channel, we'll be sending you more updates, signals, opportunities that you can utilize and be profitable to make money. Okay, so currently what we're looking at is DXY. DXY, yes. So when it comes to DXY, first of all, we can see that the market came from this supply, or let's say demand, demand. And the market went to the upside and broke this supply level, which we expected for the market to be held here by the market. Okay, so it broke this supply level and turned it into what? Demand, and the market went up again. So the market is back to this what? Demand level again. So at this point, two things are possible. The market could use this demand level and continue moving up. Is a probability before it gets to this point and drops down. Or the market could just form a corrective structure to the upside and break this demand level and head towards this what? This supply level, and break it as well and head towards the demand level. So anticipating a dollar should be weak. That's what it just means. We're anticipating a dollar should be weak. If you don't understand some of the terminologies I use, drop a comment, and if you want to ask any questions, drop a comment. So currently we're anticipating a dollar should be weak, corrective structure, and one more drop to the downside for dollar. Then the next is Euro USD. Euro is about 80% correlated with dollar. 80% correlated with dollar. And why I anticipate more drop on DXY, Euro explains it much better. One thing I love about Euro USD being correlated with dollar is because any reaction DXY is giving to me that I don't understand, Euro could break it down for me. Over here in the past, I can see that wait, let me get this. Over here in the past, I can see a what? A demand level. A demand level. And what happened? The market shoot up and came back down. Took liquidity from below here. There are stop losses of people that bought when the market was going up. That's liquidity. Took liquidity from below here. Also took liquidity from below here and came into this what? This demand level. After the market came into this demand level, what do we see in Euro? You can see that the market has been moving up. So I sent signals to our VIP group. We cut this sell to the downside, and we caught this buy to the upside, massive profits. A day before Valentine, we made 1:3 within a split of 5 to 10 minutes. We have made 1:3 of our account. Then on Wednesday, which was Valentine's Day, we bought euro and we made massive profits. So currently, based on what I can see, we have unfulfilled efficiency and stay and sit down to this demand level for more buy opportunities. I'm more interested for buy opportunities. Even if the market gives me the best sell opportunities, I'm more interested on the buy opportunities for Euro USD. I repeat, I'm more interested on the buy opportunities for the market to come back to this demand level and give me a buy opportunity. Even if the market goes below this low, this current low, even if it goes below this low and comes to this level, I'm more interested on the buy opportunities. My major area and target is going to be this supply level. This is my major area and target for the market, which means that this could be extended. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the break in network transmission. I had low network, but we are going to continue. We're going to continue. Okay, let me share my screen. So I already explained to you guys technically what I see. I already explained to you guys technically what I see. I'm expecting market to come back to this demand level, grab liquidity, and move up to this supply level. Okay, so let's see what sentiment is saying. Sentiment analysis. So for sentiment analysis, I see Euro USD. We have 56% buying, which is long, and 44% short. Okay, and this is the most popular traded pair in the market. About 36% of the total 100% of the market is trading Euro USD. So the sentiment is quite alike. So technical is showing us to the upside. Sentiment is also showing us to the upside longs. So I'm looking for our buy entries. Then the next on the list is gold. Gold, God's money. God's money. And okay. So for gold, I have the same bias I have with Euro USD. The market has a supply level over here. The market has a supply level over here. The market has a supply level over here. The market has a demand level over here. Okay. So for gold, I expect market to come back to this demand level. There's unfulfilled deficiency. There are orders lying here, institutional orders. This was what? Institutional sponsorship. This blue candle, the two blue candles are institutional sponsorship. And there is orders lying here. So I expect market to have a corrective structure, pick up that orders, and then move to this supply level. Okay, that's my anticipation. So I'll be watching out for my buy entries. If that doesn't fulfill as planned, I see that this particular area, the market came, this supply area, sorry, this demand area, the market came and filled it on gold. Okay, over here, it filled it with a week, with this week, it filled it and started moving up fast. So that's what I see on gold. This 5-wave structure has been completed. Okay, this 5-wave structure. Okay, wait. This is 5 waves. A, B, C, D. So the 5-wave structure has been completed on this particular wave on gold. One, two, three. Okay, yeah. This is the bigger picture. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So currently, based on what I see on gold, I see the market going back to this supply level, and after it goes back to this supply level, I anticipate it to come back to this area over here. So let's see what sentiment is saying. Let's see what sentiment is saying for gold. XAUUSD. Over here is XAUUSD, and we see longs is 53%, short is 47%. Longs 53%, short is 47%. So sentiment is alike with us. So I'm telling you, I'm looking for the buy entry. Like I told you, we have institutional sponsorship over here and others that has not been validated or picked up. Thank you, Oyema. And also, Oyema says he's enjoying the video. I appreciate your comments. Please don't forget to like and share. And stay to the end. We have opportunities, massive opportunities I will share with you guys today. That is going to really make your trading journey much easy and profitable too. So the next on the list is AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD, one of my favorite pairs. I love this pair. It's loading. Okay, good. So on AUD USD, we have two areas of interest. But currently, the market is inside a supply level. Let me delete this. This is not valid anymore. So currently, the market is inside a supply level, and split market to come back into a demand level. We have this demand level over here, where there is orders lying here. I marked it out already. Buy orders lying here. Then we also have a second demand level where we have buy orders lying here. So based on the reaction the market had on Friday, and split as the market opens up, there will be a little push to the upside to really break this high and grab liquidity above this high and this high. After it grabs liquidity above this high, then there will be what, a push to the downside to also grab liquidity from this low, and then we'll now be anticipating either we use this what demand level for the buy or this demand level for the buy. So which other level it uses, my aim is what, this supply level over here. Okay, which are the psychological points there. It has the psychological point of 0.6. Am I correct? 0.66. That's psychological level. 0.66. Okay. So but the market is going to head to 0.655 psychological level, then drop. This supply, then drop, come back to this demand level, and then or this demand level. We have two demand levels there. Then from there, we'll now be anticipating more buys on AUD USD. Let's see what sentiment is saying. AUD USD should be up. I found AUD JPY, AUD card. Okay, come on. Where is AUD USD? AUD CHF. No, I think I passed it. It's meant to be on this list. AUD USD. Okay, I found it. This is it. So AUD USD, we have 53% long based on sentiment and 47% short based on sentiment. So we're on the actual right direction. So we're looking for our buy setups. Okay. Then the next on the list is GBP USD. Measures. I focus more on measures. Okay. Focus more on measures. So GPUSD was extremely good and profitable for us last week, and the structure is really easy to spot. So currently, GPUSD wicked into a supply level before the week rounded off. This is the supply level, the major supply level. This is the first supply level I see on GPUSD, and if that supply level is filled, the second supply level is over here. So currently, GP wicked into the supply level, but before it wicked into supply level, there was a demand level over here, and you see the market activated the orders and failed to take profits. So as soon as the market opens up, I see there will be more push to the upside due to that this demand level has been filled. Then before the week round up, there will be what? Another push to downside to grab more demand. There is more demand level over here to continue the push to the upside to fill this supply level and also fill the supply level. Depending on how much volume and liquidity the demand that was grabbed from here has. Okay, so with that said, let's check out sentiment. Okay, based on sentiment, GPUS, you see we have more of shorts. We have 61% shorts and 39% long. 61% short, 39% long. So let's see if there is a particular demand level the market wants to go and grab liquidity from. Based on what I can see, this demand level was filled perfectly. This demand level over here was filled perfectly. This demand level. And over here, you see the low here. And the market came down swiftly to take out this liquidity, activated this demand level, and started pushing to, which is an accurate trade. So for the supply level currently, which is here, we can see that yes, this could be more of what an entry for shorts. People are seeing shorts, okay, because they can say, okay, this is an impulse correction. They need the next impulse, but this impulse didn't take out this low. Okay, so based on my bias on what I see in DXY and other measures, when the market comes back to this demand level, I'm looking for buys. Even if the market goes below this low, I'll still be looking for buys on GPUSD. But if that's going to be more complex for you to get, you just have to avoid GPUSD since it's more complex. Sentiment is saying short, why technical is saying longs. You understand? So for USD chef, based on USD chef, I see that the market came to this supply level, broke it massively. I can remember this day. It broke it massively with CPI news last week, Tuesday, CHF. CPI news broke to the upside. Even in the afternoon, we had CPI on USD and continued pushing to the upside. Then market came back to this particular this supply level and turned it into demand. So currently, based on structure, I see that the market is going to correct back to this actual area here, which is supply level, and then start selling to the downside. Okay, then it could head to this demand level. That's what I see. So based on this, I expect market to come to this actual supply level, then start moving to the downside towards this demand level. It could use this demand level, it could use this demand level. But the first demand level target is this, the second demand level target is this. Okay, so that's what I see currently. This is the supply level and expect it to come to first. Then we now start looking for the drop to the downside for USD CHF. Let's check sentiment USD CHF. For USD CHF, I see sentiment is saying 59% short, 41% long. So we are aligned with sentiment. 59% short, 49% long. So we might move to the upside before we move to the downside. So be aware of that. Corrective structure up before we push to the downside. The market could still open up and start dropping to the downside. So, but we have a plan, okay? So the last supply on the list is Bitcoin, the people's money, Bitcoin. Okay, so last week prediction was on point with Bitcoin. We anticipated Bitcoin to have a corrective structure from this point. Let me mark out Sunday. Last week was Sunday, yeah. We expect Bitcoin to have a corrective structure and head towards 50,000. Exactly. On Monday, Bitcoin had the corrective structure, head to 50,000. Then on Tuesday, it had another corrective structure. On Wednesday, it head towards 55,000. And since then, it has been at that level. So current, sorry, 51,000, 52,000. So currently now, my area of target is 55,000, which is a more validation point, okay, or a psychological level as well. So our next target right now is 55,000. Corrective structure 55,000. Okay, that's where we have Bitcoin to go up to right now. So let's watch out for that. There's no sentiment for Bitcoin. So we before we head into the fundamentals, I want to present to you guys an opportunity, and the opportunity is that for you to really understand what we're talking about when it comes to supply, demand, you need to first of all learn about forex trading, and we offer it in our academy, 10x Digital Lane. Okay, in our academy, we're going to teach you how to become a profitable independent trader. Okay, we have different packages. We have the 1 month package, we have the 3 months package, we have the 6 months package, we have the 1 year package with discount. If you want to know more about what you're going to get, you learn how to manage forex trading capital, $5,000 to $1 million. You learn how to earn passive income in real estate, short-let property. All this is inside the website and inside this one package you're paying for. You learn how to build a wealthy mindset, okay, and accumulate wealth, build a steady portfolio. You get our new book. We have Forex Mastery, a guide to trading success. It's our test book. Then you have live trading sessions with us. These are some of our packages. Like the 1 month package is $49, the 3 months package is $139.65, the 6 months package with a 10% discount is $264.06. The 12 months package is $20% discount with $470.04. You can either make payments, bank transfer, debit card, crypto. Okay, and then when you complete the payment, you gain access to, let's say for instance, the 3 months package. You gain access to 3 months intensive online bootcamp to learn all our products and all our services. You get a guest trainer. If it's the forex trading, you get a guest trainer that will teach you about trading. One is in New York, who is a lady, and then we have one in London who's going to put you through on forex trading. This is worth about $460, which you pay to them to handle this training for you. Then you also get forex software files, indicators and tools that will help you, software that will help you to become successful. Just like you being a farmer, to go to the farm, you need to get the right tools. We'll give it to you. Then we'll give you VIP signals. You can place trades and earn up to 1,000% return depending on your capital. You can place value on that. Then we have our membership into our VIP group, where you meet like-minded individuals, exchange ideas, and also be able to make money with them. Then you have one-on-one session with me. Wherever you have difficulty in any part of the course, you will have a session with me. I will explain things to you. This is worth about $250. Then you gain access to our test book, the Forex Guide to Trading Success. Then after you have ended the training with us, you will have access to our certificate. After you have passed the test, you have access to our certificate. This certificate shows that you have gone through our training and you are successful in trading. Okay. Then at the end of the training, we give you a $5,000 evaluation account. Okay, we partner with the prof firm to give you that account, and then you can be able to use that as a trading capital to start on the trading journey. Also, if you are new to trading and you have little capital, you can as well subscribe with our broker, register our broker account, fund your account, and then go in for our copy trading services. Our copy trading services are available. You connect your accounts to our own account on our broker, Hot Forex. If you place trades on our account on our broker, the same trade you place on your own account, and if you are making profits on our own account, you're making profits on your own account as well. So with that said, we'll dive into the fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis, on Tuesday, we have Reserve Bank of Australia meeting minutes, which is not really an event. It's just a gathering whereby they're discussing about the economic situation. On Tuesday, we have Canadian dollar inflation rate year over year and CPI team mean. This is a derivative of the inflation. and CPI median year over year. This is the derivative of this inflation rate year over year. So we're more focused on inflation rate. This New York session, but that doesn't really have to do with the pairs we analyze. Then on Wednesday we have Japanese yen balance of trade, which has to do with the total import and total export of trade within the Japan economy. So a higher import more than export is bad for the economy, but a higher export more than import is good for the economy. Then on Wednesday we have by 8 p.m. FOMC minutes, okay, which we're meant to have the FOMC interest rate decision before this FOMC minute. But since I see that there's no interest rate decision that will be done, just the minute to be read, and this will have volatility in the market. That will be 8 p.m. New York session on Wednesday. Then on Wednesday we have Judo Bank Service PMI for Australian dollar, and then 11 and Judo Bank Manufacturing PMI. This could be the tool that will move the Australian dollar higher or lower, diving into Thursday. Then on Thursday we have London session, one of my favorite news events, CPI for Euro. Then this has to do with if the figure, this is 122.4 and this is 122.6, which shows that Euro is weak for Thursday. But if the figure has comes out higher than 122.4, it's going to turn out Euro to be strong. That will be 9 a.m. London session on Thursday. Okay. Then on Thursday as well, we have 9:15 a.m. HCOB manufacturing PMI for Euro. This has to do with the manufacturing sector. Then we have the service sector. If this figure is, if the actual is higher than the consensus, it is good for Euro. The same with the service PMI. If the actual is higher than if the actual is higher than the consensus, it is good for Euro. Okay. So we have also for this is for France, we have for Germany, we have for Euro Central manufacturing and service PMI. Then by 10:30 we have GBP service PMI and manufacturing PMI for Great Britain pound. I think why sentiment is saying GPUS is going to be short is because there was an announcement done last week that the Great Britain pound is now in recession. So that's why the market is feeling that the Great Britain pound is going to lose strength, and that's why I think that that chart is quite complex. Great Britain pound against the dollar is quite complex, so be mindful of that. Then 11 a.m. London session, we have CPI for Euro Central as well. Good news, which if we see a figure higher than 123.58, it's going to give the euro the strength it demands. Then on New York session, we have retail sales for card, retail sales month over month and year over year for card, retail sales ex autos month over month for card. Then also we have dollar news, continuous jobless claims, initial jobless claims 4-week average. We are more focused on the initial jobless claims. That has more strength, more than the continuous jobless claim and the jobless claims 4-week average. So if we see a figure lower than 217k, it is going to be good for the dollar. It's going to give the dollar strength. But if you see a figure higher than 217k, it's going to be bad for the dollar. Then that same New York session, we have global manufacturing PMI, global service PMI, and existing homes month over month data. So this could be a very high impact day for the dollar. That's Thursday. Then on Friday, to wrap up the week, we have GBP consumer confidence LA in the Asian session by 1:01 a.m. and then IFO business climate for Euro London session by 10 a.m. So this is the business climate, what the business industry thinks about the business environment in Germany on that particular morning. So I'm watching out for Thursday for the New York session, and then watching out also for Friday for the London session. We'll be having our live trading session probably on Thursday, London or New York session. You'll be updated on the Telegram channel. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Join our Telegram channel. I appreciate you watching to this point. Like I said before, the opportunity we're offering you right now is that you can register with our broker, Hot Forex. As soon as you register with our broker, you can enroll for our account copy trading, which means that you just register, verify your account, fund the account, and then attach your account to our own account. As we're placing trades on our own account, it will be placed on your own account, and whatever profit you make, it will be split. You keep your own share and we keep our own share, automatically done by the broker. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you have any further questions, reach out to me. The link and the details is going to be on the description. And I wish you a profitable trading week. Peace.